which sports do you think are we yet to explore for the specially abled, or something which we can work upon more, or something from your side which can be added, which can be a good addition to the already there list of sports? So, Dr. Asha, could you please share your insight?
There are like 28 para sports. Out of them, 22 are summer and the rest 6 are for winter. So I am lucky, I would say, that I've got exposure for all the para sports. Like it's a foundation, Aditya Mehta Foundation, I would like to tell. Like, so it's been since 2016, we have conducted 5 national training camps for para sports. So last was in 2019 when we have kept all the 22 para sports with para coaches. So, and about the winter game also, we did training in Oli. So there were different multiple disability type participants, and in this 5 year, what I have noticed is like para athletic. It's a main leading now in India, and other thing will be swimming, powerlifting, table tennis, badminton. Though badminton has done a debut this year, and it has been an amazing performance.
Right.
So that's
Absolutely.
again the point comes here again, the awareness that there are many para sports. At the same time, we as from the physiotherapy fraternity, we have to push our boundaries and think out of the zone and explore and give them the option at this. And even Dr. Abhishek, he also said, like, we have to tell them what according to the competition. Though people are going to one particular para sports, we do neglect the other sports, whereas like rugby is there, football is there, wheelchair basketball is there.
Right.
Many games are the Boschia is there, archery is there. There are higher chances where we can, because India is a population where more than, I would say, 20 billion, according to 2012 census, there are people who are spatially challenged. So we have like majority of responsibility, and we can have a good tally, and we can like come up to that level where our country will be leading soon. But it's just a matter of awareness. At the same time, the sports policy have to be also improvised, the infrastructure wise, and many things have to be worked on, like at grassroots level. Then only this thing will be.
I think after a flattering performance at the recent Tokyo Paralympic Games, this topic has come up, and here's hoping that there will be better advancements and faster advancements in this field. How do you see our physiotherapy community contributing to para sports in the near future? So, do you think physios are aware, or something you would like to do from your side to create this awareness, apart from what we said, that this should be included in the syllabus right from the undergraduation? Anything else which you would like to add on to this, Dr. Abhishek?
This is also a very important field, and we should work on it, and the syllabus should be improvised. As she said, the grassroots level we should be working on. There are many sports which we are still not aware of, and we are not playing. Like India is not even participating in any team sport. Awareness is the key, I guess. Currently, even the physios, even the disabled population is unaware of the sports they can play, or they can. Undergrads should be made aware of this. They if they get to know, then they can spread the word to their patients, and then they can even think of how they can get involved in sports.
We can do research also, that will also put up a lot of things, because there is a lot of lack of evidence. So that will also help us a lot. Once we take up at same way from the graduation level, we put up a posting for that, include in the curriculum, get exposure, meet to the different people, understand the different like skill to improve skill for the assessment, because there are so many different disability impairment that we need to assess in a better form, because at the end when we classify, so they need to have a good experience how to assess that particular disability. So and we are the right one to do the assessment. save
in this. Dr. Aditi, I would like to ask you any strategies or techniques we can use to increase the inclusion of persons with disabilities for sports. So even creating awareness amongst them is equally important as we are talking for the medicals. So anything you would like to add on that?
So if you observe in India, what happens? We get medals in certain sports. That thing comes in TVs, movies, and every where, and like kids and like para athletes, everybody runs behind just those sports. Okay, that thing we have observed. So what we can do is having those like those 28 sports, like there are camps for athletes, para athletes. So that time they should be exposed to all sports, so they know what they like what they can do and all, how many sports exist. Then like they are in they get their education from schools. So in those schools, they have their sports class or in their syllabus as well. If they like if they know that it's there, something does exist, they'll obviously explore it ahead. The thing is, it's not there, and also like. Whenever they are in contact with any medical person, then like physios, then orthos, neuros, everybody should be told that in case of any sudden this thing like traumatic case or anything, like for that matter, psychologists also, they should introduce them to sports, like different kinds of para sports that those are available, and like awareness through news, like different media, like how you are doing, like different media channels, we can definitely then go ahead with that.
These children, and if they get to know that they
Correct.
can get to this level, like they can win medal for the country, then they will also have a fresh
Right.
approach towards their child, and they will work accordingly. And if they start working at that level, obviously
Right.
it will create wonder.
Makes a lot of good come in their contact,
yeah right.
so that that
Like
gets
for special educator, physical educator, like for the people who are at the early stage, like for congenital, especially children, in their syllabus, one should they should include this all sports, because what they know is like kho, kabaddi, football, whereas these terms are not there. That's why, and even in special educator course also somewhere few things are not there. So if those things are included, then there will be more awareness, and then it will. So it's from like grassroots level study also we have to include.
In the various fraternity,
Right.
we can
Yeah,
fraternity, we can start camps, like as in for in the disability areas, like the hospitals or the, we can set up a camps for choosing, like for just the awareness camps,
yes,
just to
Right.
we can assess them, basic assessment and awareness of the sports what are available and how they can get into. So basic camps can actually be held in different parts of the.
I have observed that sports culture is that way. So we need to start as a great teamwork, then only these
Right.
things will be possible. Though in this 4 to 5 year span, there is a lot of change in towards para sports. Lot of awareness is also there. I'm expecting more. It will be. Let's hope for the
like
best.
if awareness goes in a right way, if we see India's population, definitely will get so many medals.
In our academy foundation, what we do every year,
Yeah.
we conduct Infinity Ride, which is a cycling expedition. So last year it was from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and during that time we have visited few schools. Though it was a COVID time, so that's why we are not able to reach much schools, but we interacted with much schools. So we have adopted few schools here whom we are training.
Today's session is going to be one step closer to achieving what we just discussed to, get parasports into limelight and make it an opportunity, make sure that this opportunity reaches each and every person who needs it and each and every person with disability, at least to explore it once. So yeah, it was great talking to all of you, great getting insights, new information and a lot of new content. I think this is definitely going to help our fresh graduates, interns, physios who are looking forward to working in this field. And yes, it is definitely going to benefit the people with disabilities through us. So yeah, it was great talking to all of you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for the
Riddhi.
Thank you.
such
Yeah.
initiative, and thank you for inviting us.
Yes, thank you
Our
for giving us the
pleasure.
opportunity to talk on this topic. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
it was our pleasure. Thank you.